Yes! A 2021 Keystone Premier Ultra Lite. Folks, this is a quality unit. Yeah, I know, they're all built the same way. No, they're not. Let me show you a little difference. How about a full fiberglass front cap? Power tongue jack, front and rear power stabilizer bars. We got 2 propane tanks, 20 pounds that will be filled up, and that battery will be fully charged or replaced if needed. Take a look at the underbelly storage. Aluminum. Look at that white plywood. Not press wood, plywood, and aluminum construction. Well finished out. Solid steps. Outside speakers, LED light in that power awning. We got cable connection, power connection outside, so you can actually put a mount right here and bring the TV out. Outside fridge and sink. It is prepped for a backup camera. Slide topper on this huge slide out. Real quick, again, quality. The wet bay within. 50 amp power connection. Prep for a solar panel system. All right, walking into the Keystone Premier. It does have the underbelly insulation. Again, front and rear stabilizer jacks. Here's the model number 29RK. 2021, slightly used and well loved. Thomas Paine sofa that converts into a bed. 4 chairs on a table. GE 12-volt fridge. Look at the beautiful solid surface countertops. Oven, 3-burner stove, Furrion microwave. Love the cabinetry. Lots of storage. We got the tower of power. Don't need it, no worries. You can hide it. Beautiful fireplace. It does throw out some heat on those chilly nights. Stereo, TV. Look at the vaulted ceilings, folks. Look at that. Gives you an extra couple inches. So if you are a little extra tall, no problem. Porcelain toilet. Nice. Extra large shower. You got a medicine cabinet, storage. I'm seeing quality here, folks. We got his and her closets. Nice queen size bed. Oh, another TV that needs to be installed right here. We do have some power connections, USB connections behind the closets. And over here, some more storage with adjustable shelves. Here's the control center. See roller shades throughout. Folks, this, no doubt, this is a quality unit. No carpet whatsoever. I don't know what the price is going to be yet, but I'm pretty sure this is not a cheap one. This is definitely a quality one, and of course, quality does come at a premium. Folks, if you're looking to take a look at this coach on your own, please give one of our friendly salespeople a call. Book your appointment with them. We're going to get this opened up for you, plugged in, ready for show. And who knows? Hopefully, we'll get it ready to tow. Bye for now. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.